Welcome back, viewers. So, our next news जो है 60 die in fierce Bajour war. Northern areas में फाटा में जो military action हो रहा है, US का bombardment शुरू हो गई है, the Americans are coming and dropping shells over there. How do you feel the government should handle this situation, because it seems to be getting quite out of control?
Definitely, Sabha. I think we need to improve upon our foreign policies. Or government should take a serious note of it, because so many people dying every day. It is very depressing. And I remember there was a time कि in areas में हम लोग जाया करते थे, and you know there was.
अब आप स्वात नहीं जा सकते.
Exactly. और आप देखेंगे there was a time के कितना आपका था कि बहुत सारे foreigners आते थे and they used to enjoy these places and foreign आपका एक tourism जो है it has totally been बिल्कुल. So I think this is the only reason, और इस पे बड़ा strictly government को action लेना चाहिए और देखना चाहिए कि what is exactly the main reason, और politically इसके पीछे there are so many which we sort of can't point out, but I think इसको seriously
क्योंकि इसका असर जो है बाकी मुल्क पे भी हो रहा है. There are suicide attacks happening all over Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, you name it. It's everywhere. So there's a certain sense of insecurity जो एक develop हो गई है लोगों के अंदर.
Honestly speaking, I myself, I never wanted my son to be out from Pakistan, but the time has come. I'm seriously thinking, this is no more a safe place. So I think other people also
That's
have
sad.
the same.
Yeah, it's very unfortunate when people start thinking of leaving their own country.
And whenever we travel abroad, whenever we go abroad, it is so depressing that you see other countries like Malaysia and Dubai. Every after 3 months you go there, they're progressing in every fields of life. And when we come back to our country, it is regressing. And every area there is no improvement, there is no. So मेरा ख्याल है कि हमें we should take a serious note of it, and we should improve we should plan for the future, और देखना चाहिए कि what exactly our main objective is, or then उसके accordingly move forward.
That's true. So tell me, you're married, you've got 2 children. How do you manage personal and professional life?
It is tough. Initially, I was facing a lot of problems because I was in a teething stage पे थी, and dealing with the clientele, and at the same time, mashallah, I've got 50 working staff with me, and every staff has their own individual minor problems and issue, and at the same time बच्चों के भी they were at a stage के उनकी involvement उनके school में, but whatever little time I get, I try to spend it with my family. And mashallah, अब तो my husband is also very cooperative. Okay. Initially he retaliated, and he was not very happy about it.
That's probably used to not having you around.
Yeah, that's true. But since he's a banker himself, so he also comes late, so I have an edge. Okay. At least I justify myself कि by the time you come back, I also close my work. So that is there, but you have to fight in many ends. आपको I'm a very involved parent, so मुझे ये भी होता है कि जी बच्चों का जो है वो भी neglect ना हो, but justifying all
and
the
you're managing 2 salons, one is in Pindi, one is in Islamabad,
that is
which
true.
is miles away
and that
from each
is
other.
Distribution of time is basically the main issue these days. ये highway अभी बना नहीं है, it takes you more than an hour from Pindi to Islamabad, but initially I am trying to give this branch a little more time, because after Eid there are going to be lots of brides, and I will be operating.
That's when the wedding season starts.
Wedding season will be on, and then we have loads of brides. So we are trying to operate from one station just to keep the quality of work, and inshallah next year we'll see if we can manage at both the places. Since I've got very good makeup artists working with me, working.
Do you have any men working with you?
No, Sabha.
Why not?
Remember I told you last time also that I don't feel very comfortable, having that kind of an environment, because the client, mostly clients which I come across, they keep on complaining that the level of comfort is not there. Okay. Maybe if since a male is moving around, maybe, and keeping religious that factor also in mind. So I never thought about it. There were a couple of good makeup artists जिन्होंने approach किया था, and I was actually wanting to kind of a little change and add a little color also.
Very talented men around as well.
But I personally feel that this is a female kind of I think females are, like exceptions like Tariq Amin, and I would certainly say that Atash Azad, they are always there, but ज़्यादा डोमिनेट मेरा ख्याल है फीमेल ही इस प्रोफेशन को अभी तक कर रही हैं।
अभी तक कर रही है।
स्ट्रेंथ्स जो है वो हमारी ज़्यादा है। दे आर गुड मेकअप आर्टिस्ट एंड माशाल्लाह दे हैव मेड देयर नेम एंड
Because some of your top designers, at least the men have taken over.
they
The
are
top
good.
designers are all men, and they're designing for women.
But even then, I think strength. Look at Karma. Other good designers also, female. I don't want to name any particular designer, but I think अभी भी I feel कि नहीं जो हमारी वाली field है इसमें we have a better hand.
You have a better hand.
ज़्यादा अच्छी grip
The
है.
men would probably disagree and say no, we can do it better.
I think it's a debatable issue. I think now the trend is there's a change, and men are also inclined towards this profession. I think that's a good thing.
Of course
That's a
it is.
positive
Of course it
build
is. If you've
culture.
got the knack for it, then why not? You
Why
know,
not?
there is no bars on only women can
Women
do
can
this,
do
only
it.
men can do
Definitely,
this.
definitely.
So I think one should just go and do exactly what they feel like doing.
Bilkul, bilkul.
So
that's
my
true.
last and very quick question to you is, who do you think is the most handsome man in the world?
My. Well, I think my son is the most handsomest on the face of this
Really?
earth.
How old is he?
Well, he's going to be 18.
Okay,
Yeah.
then I guess no one else can compete with that.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, wonderful, Sobia. Thank you so much for taking time out.
Thank you very much.
It's time to sign off. It's goodbye from Sabah Jamal and her team.